Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best pickleball glasses for women. The HTS HUNTERSKY S239 Protective Clear Pink Safety Glasses. Whether you're a serious pickleball player or just want reliable eye protection during outdoor activities, these glasses are designed with you in mind. Right off the bat, the HTS HUNTERSKY S239 glasses stand out because of their specific focus on fit and protection for women and youth with smaller to medium face sizes. Unlike many generic safety glasses that tend to be bulky or ill-fitting, these wraparound glasses contour snugly to your face, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit without pressure points. The ergonomic design allows the arms to bend inward gently, hugging your head so that the glasses stay put even during intense movements on the court. When it comes to safety, these glasses exceed expectations. They meet the stringent NCZ 87+ standard, meaning they have been rigorously tested for impact resistance and eye protection. This is crucial in a fast-paced sport like pickleball where stray balls and accidental hits can cause serious injury. The lenses are not only strong but also feature a scratch-resistant coating, ensuring durability and clear vision over time. Another impressive feature is the anti-fog capability. While many safety glasses tend to fog up during physical exertion, the HTS HUNTERSKY S239 glasses are designed to reduce fogging, allowing you to maintain clear vision throughout your game or activity. This is a big plus for anyone playing in varying weather conditions or moving between different temperature zones. The lenses offer UV 400 protection, blocking out harmful ultraviolet rays. This is especially important for outdoor sports like pickleball where sun exposure can be prolonged. Protecting your eyes from UV rays helps prevent strain and potential long-term damage. The lightweight frame contributes to overall comfort, making these glasses suitable for long hours of wear without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. Despite being lightweight, the frame is made from super strong and flexible materials, so you don't have to worry about breakage or losing shape. These glasses aren't just functional, they also have a stylish appeal with their clear pink tint, adding a subtle pop of color without compromising clarity or visibility. The optical grade lens ensures your vision remains sharp and true, with no distortion during play. In terms of usability, these glasses are versatile. Beyond pickleball, they work well for activities requiring eye protection like cycling, running, gardening, lab work, or general wind and dust protection. The wraparound design shields your eyes from all angles, not just the front, giving comprehensive protection. Packaging is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or carry. The glasses weigh just over 4 ounces, so they won't weigh you down during workouts or games. In summary, the HTS HUNTERSKY S239 Protective Clear Pink Safety Glasses are an excellent choice for women seeking safety, comfort, style, and performance. Their ANSI certification, anti-fog and scratch-resistant lenses, UV protection, and ergonomic design make them highly practical for pickleball and other activities. If you want reliable eye protection that fits well and looks great, these glasses deserve your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.